Katrina and her husband had always lived a quiet life, without major disruptions. But everything turned upside down as soon as they moved next to an old house that had been abandoned for years. From the very first week, they began to hear strange sounds coming from that decaying structure. Muffled voices, sharp knocks, and on some nights even loud bangs that sounded like gunshots.
Some people said, "Oh, it's gunshots."
The house was empty, but it seemed alive. In one of their recordings, Katrina is on the porch filming the mysterious house next door when strange noises can be heard coming from inside it. She tries to stay calm and record as much as she can.
Okay guys, update. I'm standing by the door. And you can still hear it. It's definitely not gunshots. Some people said, "Oh, it's gunshots." I'm going to try to be quiet now because I'm going to add captions to this and see if we can pick up any other voices. On the last video, near the end, I had captions on and it said "thank you," but I didn't say thank you. Hello? Sounds like it's coming from the roof. Hey guys, no.
The couple says strange things soon began happening in their own home, especially with Katrina's mother's dolls. To investigate, they set up cameras. One night, while her husband was away, Katrina was alone with her dog, Lucy, when a loud crash came from the kitchen. She grabbed her phone to record, and what she captured left her in shock.
Okay guys, it's just me and Lucy up here. I was just listening to music. I was on the laptop, and we're hearing something in the kitchen. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Come on, Lou, come on. Hello? Hello?
Right after that terrifying moment, she barely had time to recover. The very next morning, something equally horrifying happened in the same spot. While she was washing dishes, distracted, the cabinet door suddenly slammed open with violence, throwing objects onto the floor as if an invisible force wanted to reveal itself.